guys, Graham from Trailwatts here. Just wanted to give you a demo on how to fit the 252 booster system. First off, with any electrical equipment, disconnect your battery and remove it from the frame. Once removed, we now then need to remove the crank. After removing the crank, we can now remove the top cover bolts and the 3 motor cover bolts. On your factory bike, there will be a P-clip located in the harness. This needs to be removed and stored away as it's no longer required for your trailer to use. Unplug your factory harness from the Bros motor, and then we need to change the cover over to the Trailwatts harness. To change your cover, just the 3 small bolts. Remember that the Rosenberger is magnetic, so if you do miss a bolt, it's probably stuck to your factory harness. And it should separate. Got the bolts out, don't lose those. And there's a locating clip, as you heard. So then store your factory harness if you need it to return for warranty or any other purposes. Clip in the Rosenberger, as you heard, and make sure that the bevel is located. Before returning the rear cap, the locating pins, and then reinstall 3 bolts. They're all the same size, so you shouldn't have any hassle or concerns with that. Retighten them, and then you're ready to install your Trailwatts harness. The Trailwatts harness now ready to fit. This is your booster lead. This is where the power connects to the harness from the booster battery, the module, and the Bros connector as on your factory. To fit this, the easiest solution is to run the booster fly lead first through the gap at the front of the frame. This. Once you've done that, then you can connect your Bros connector back to the motor and rotate the module so that it faces the rear of the bike. It's now time to fit the cover, making sure that the booster, the fly lead, does not get pinched when locating the cover bolts. Your motor housing bolts up. Right, zip tie to the current cables, making sure you don't pinch either the factory ones or the booster ones. Normally one before the connector and one after. This is to keep it stable within the housing and not have any cables loose and flapping around. trim the zip ties once you've located the fly lead above your factory cables at the rear of the top cover. We can now then fit the top cover, as no more access is required in the bike. Please note not to bolt or pinch the cables against the front hole. It's now time to fit your booster battery to your e-bike. Connect the harness to the battery using the supplied tab. Pin the cable to the cage and then use the Velcro tab supplied to pin the fly lead below your pivot rear suspension. Please remember to torque the crank to the factory settings. Now install your factory battery. Tighten to factory specification. You can then connect your factory battery. That concludes your Trailwatch booster system fitting. You can now charge your factory battery and your booster battery and ride the trails longer. There are 2 other versions available for fitment, not mentioned in this video, but you will be supplied instructions and details accordingly. Thank you for watching.